Today at lang may trabaho, so nagsaray na sa super traffic kayo guys. And then there's people working the road, so we're going to the south today. Hello!
Morning, peeps.
How are you gonna say it in your Malay? Good morning, maing buntag.
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. How you say it? Good morning in Nepalese still good morning?
Morning.
In your language?
Morning, madlang people.
Morning. So,
That's right now.
gala na naman tayo today. Ay, time for the show. So why are you so quiet?
Because you're talking.
Okay. Here. You're talking.
Here.
We're going to the south today, and look who's the pretty lady driver.
I'm concentrating.
Sunny today, but still going somewhere. Look at the traffic, hey? Bumper to bumper, like in the Philippines. This is a cool road work. Look, until going up to the hills. Oh,
The low tide.
wow. Guys, so we're here again in Aladala with the group. Hello, Miss Beautiful. What's this? Despedida party?
I went to the toilet party.
Oh, toilet party. Guys, Aladala. So, they have a nice toilet talaga there. Here, toilet unisex. So, that's why. And this is the beach. This is my favorite place. I've been here before. Because this is one of my favorite places. And there's a swimming pool over there. Swimming pool. And there's table and chair shades. And there's some people swimming. You're going to the loo?
Huh?
You're going to the toilet? You can. I gonna do a video inside the toilet, huh? Let's have a look. The toilet, day. Huh? Welcome to my toilet.
Welcome to the toilet.
This is their toilet, guys. This is the model in the toilet. Have a look. Oh, is that old style the toilet? Huh?
Yeah.
Squat. And there a washing basin with soap. And there's under there. On the beach. It's not sunny today. Really? Also. The beach guy. There's a chair. We can sit on the chair. Marine rescue. I've been here before. So we go for a walk here in Aladala. Why are you laughing, hello? Aladoli. That's the Civic Center coffee. The place. Let's explore. Lest we forget. siya towing the car. We're going across. Hold, baby. Run, kasi give us way. The city. Hello, ladies. Where are you going? Yes, you're a tourist. You're from Nora Peeps. There's a treats and home. There's a little doggy. When I gonna get this? Do you think? Hello, are you gonna shopping, ladies? Huh? There's a nice big one. This one, oh. How about today? Shopping? Today, that's so today. Let's go somewhere. The car is. There. Guys, we're looking for the oak shop this time, so. Okay, so Minjo's living here for a few years. You live for a few years.
Yeah.
So I've been here many times too, but I don't know where's the correct way. Car is coming. Thank you.
Where they going?
Huh? Where's the other one? Go there. The other one go. Swing. You're tired? The two kids are playing. It won't fit.
Welcome, guys.
Huh? It's alright. Beautiful ladies there's waiting. I think I know they're hungry. You alright? The big kid is enjoying. Did you have fun, kids? Huh? Where are we going?
But where? right? Oh, sorry.
They're waiting for us, guys. So that's the church there, guys. Huh? Huh? That's the there's a lot. That's Aladala Church. So and there's a Venice there. Venice, the church, and Venice. We're gonna do off-shop hunting. Hello guys, so we got this swimming attire from Venice. Kasi we're gonna, maybe if you like to go for swim, we will swim with this. So I'm waiting for the other ladies to come out. So there we. Miss Philippines, why you look so sad? Ready for fun swim? Where are they? Let's go, baby. Let's go. There's from Miss Nepal is coming. Mm. And this Miss Balinese, Miss Indonesia, representing. So we got what?
Miss Indonesia. We got all the Miss, huh?
And Miss Bali. From representing Miss Balinese. So let's go now. Our big walk, guys. We're going to the KFC because we're ready for our lunch. So let's go. KFC.
Are we gonna get the family?
Huh? The bucket one. Good. Order na siya, guys.
34.90.
Yeah, and then can we get the taxi? The 1.5 years.
No worries. Anything else?
Thank you.
So, they're here waiting in the car, guys, and Cheer is getting the KFC. Guys, we're here na after from the KFC. So, yun na yung picnic natin. Yung mga pagkain sa may likod ng dagat. So, that's our food today.
Deliver.
Wow, that's our food for today. Leva,
Just make sure
noodles, Nepalese noodles, rice, dessert.
That's the big makan. Is it let's eat?
Let's eat.
Ayo makan is like
Are you makan? So look at that. That's the green mango with that cherry. Thank you. Get one and pass. Thank you. Yeah, and the pool here, so there's a swimming pool, guys, with all the pool, so there's mga guidelines. So we will go swim later. That's the swimming pool. So KFC. Ooh. Domingo sauce. It's bam bam time. Kainan time. Bam bam is eating. So
In the bongo.
different eating.
Bom is big.
Oops.
I use hand.
me too. That is you know.
I'm going to wash my hands.
Just wash your hand. It's more I don't know what to say. More yummy.
Green mango. Green mango.
Whoever want it.
I have chicken fish. Did you have one? Did you have one mango? I check already.
Yummy, huh?
I'm very hungry.
Mukbang.
I'm the only one in the camera. Me only yummy. You want sweet?
So yummy. So good to eat outside, isn't it?
Can I? It's alright. I will do it. It's alright.
No, what?
I'll get drink.
What?
Please.
Which one?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, this is a bit cold.
Doesn't matter because you like lemonade.
Thank you.
You want drink?
That's enough, please. Thank you. So guys, I'm eating the mango with the yummy sauce. What's the name of the sauce? Alamang.
Like bago.
Bago.
With simple
With
and sugar. Yeah.
very yummy.
That's how we do the
Hey.
mango.
Flies. That's it, guys.
You people there, no?
Yeah. More coming up. Yeah.
So guys, we finished eating our lunch. So, we're not yet. Me, I finished eating my lunch.
No, we're just still.
We're just still picking.
I'm still picking and eating. And in here, guys, it's really good because wherever you go, there's a public toilet. It's free. You don't need to pay. And there's a free swimming pool too. And go for a swim if you want to. And yeah, unlike in our country, we need to pay wherever you want to go. Food, guys. So rice is gone. Rice.
Yeah.
Rice.
The spare rice still there.
The rice.
Yeah, mango.
Rujak.
Torojak.
Rujak.
We call rujak.
What?
I know that. Rujak. You know that rujak? Rujak still a boom boom. Like.
So the pool just there, so people are swimming. So in the other place, the island. And,
You know what? You can.
So we're going home now, guys. So the girls is ready to go, packing up. Thank you. It's time to go home now. It's time to go home. There's a big ship waiting for us. We're gonna catch up from here to Anora. Aladala to Anora. Bye-bye. There's a bird, oh. Chicken. Boat. There's a lady boy and there's a lady girl. Bakla. Di ako bakla, kla. Give them some food. What's that? The kookaburra? Kookaburra. The people are looking. Hi? Oh. Pigeon. 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 And there's some people working at the back. And let's go home. It's time to go home now. Go home to.
Yeah, I just.
Oh, twinning!
Yeah.
Well, hi! Yeah! Naive! Vivian. Fish and chips, Australian sustainable seafoods. Oh, there's a hotel or apartment, no? You're gonna book and ring someone there for next time. Your new unit overlooking. It's going on. What I said. Oh, well done. You're so quiet.
I know.
No, it's gonna. Yeah, shake. Hey.
You should do before that.
Yeah, you just remind us now when we're here. We're gonna go back because we do TikTok. U-turn now, police plate. Bunch of sleep. Andito. Shop guys. They're buying some food. Huh? What you gonna get? Oh. Ah, that's the one. Mango there at the back. Chicharon. We're going a diet after today. Huh? Oh, that's the chili that you got. Oh. Buying something. The ABC. Ketchup.
Ketchup manis.
Ah, kicap manis.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. No, we said ketchup.
Ketchup. Ah, ketchup.
Pronoun is ketchup.
There's they're buying guys, so ketchup.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. We said ketchup. Ketchup. Ay, sorry. We're gonna make fruit salad. That's the Asian shop. There. And here, that's the entrance there. They're busy shopping. Me, I'm busy for my job. What you looking for, madam?
Just looking.
What's this?
Hey, my friend, do you know what this one for? What you
I
use for?
think it's for I don't know. This one for rice. You know what you have to cook rice? No?
Also, that's the one.
Yeah.
For rice, for the party?
No, when you steam rice, like when you
Oh.
make rice.
Or I think catching crab or lobster.
This one, the old fashioned.
Old fashioned. People still using this nowadays.
Or you can
So that's the bawang. Oh, ding dong. Ding dong dong. That's fun. My favorite is there's no chappy.
finally you got
130.
what that one?
Vinegar cracklings.
What that one?
150. And they've been busy. So you're sleepy, Manju. Yeah, the counter guys, they're paying there now. So after this we're going home time.
Thank
you, Manju.
We have the same number.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nice
Julie
number.
told me. Yeah.
Okay,
See you
I put
next time.
outside that chow mein and sweet you eat, okay?
Okay, alright. Thank you, Manju.
Thank you. See you next time. Thank
See
you.
ya.
Man just dropped na. So we're going to the next destination. We're home. Our second home. So, aking inangkin ha. So what's that in English? You translate it to English, Dai. So we're gonna, huh?
No, just keep going.
So we're gonna bring home again. We're gonna get a bring house as usual.
So anyone want cucumber? I have lots of cucumber in my.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please, if you're new to my channel,
Subscribe. Just
click that down button below.
Subscribe.
Yes, thank you.
subscribe. Yep.
God,
Support Jen.
yes, yes, please.
Support Jen.
See you next time, guys. Bye. We love you. God
See you
bless
to our next
Thank
vlog.
you. See ya for our next adventure.
Abangan.
Ang sa sunod na kabanata. Okay, bye-bye.